All right, time now for the call of the day. It's Expedia upgraded to outperform at Raymond James. $157 is the price target. It's 13% up from here. Steph, we'll go to you on this because you own it.
I do, yeah.
So you like this call. When did you buy it?
I bought it about a month ago.
Okay.
Yeah, it was at about 120, which I didn't catch the bottom. I'll tell you that. But I just started to get sense that the company's initiatives in terms of these heavy investments that they've been putting into the company over the last 2 years, we're starting to kind of come to the end of that. And that actually is what happened. And in addition, they have seen better room growth. They have seen better bookings, double digits on both, and they raised guidance. So it was a beat and raise on a very low expectation stock and a company that really had to show us that they could
did.
deliver.
I saw the interview with the CEO within the last hour or so. They've had a real discipline on their spending, too, which the street was looking for.
Yes.
So that seems to be a key metric in this story.
Yeah, I mean, so it's operating leverage, right? So, I mean, it's something that I've talked about. I always talk about operating leverage. That's how you really get your bang for your buck. Same thing happened, by the way, to Amazon. It was operating leverage, and that's why the stock actually is doing pretty well today. But Expedia, I think they're on the right path, and the stock is still pretty attractively valued, so I like it.
Okay, gross bookings to $26 billion. I mean, you know, kudos to Steph for nailing this thing, Steph. This one, Judge, with 20,000 HomeAway. Everybody thinks when you book on Expedia and these sites that you're just booking a hotel room. More of us that are on there frequently are seeing things like HomeAway on here. And that's just manna from heaven for any of these travel sites. And these guys have taken advantage of it first.
All right. Josh, you don't own this name, right? Do you own any of the travel stocks?
I wish I did.
Yeah, I don't own this either.
I should own the Chinese travel stocks, too. They look the same. I think it's a great economy. Especially for the type of people that have disposable income to travel. And I think the U.S. online travel business, and Steph could probably speak more to this, has consolidated to the point where these are just incredibly profitable companies. And I don't see something coming along that's going to change that. I know the A word is always out there in the ether. One day Amazon's going to get serious about travel. But I've been hearing that since 2003. So, you know, until then, these stocks look great.
What about pure hotel plays?
They buy Expedia or something like this. I mean, that would be.
They could almost do whatever they wanted.
You take anything from this and look at some of the pure play hotel stocks? Marriott, MAR?
I'm not a big lodging guy. It's not my thing. So.
I do think in this space, though, in the online travel space, two things. One, the scale matters. So Expedia is a lot larger. That does matter. Number two is it's not just, you know, retail travel. It's actually a lot of business travel. You know, if you're at a large corporation or a medium corporation, they're using online travel.